Ahoy there mateys, and welcome to something a little bit different.
On? Yeah.
Hello. The awesome people at DYU have sent me the C3 e-bike. It came packaged really well. The bike is near enough built for you, you've just got a few little items that you need to add on. It's really not that heavy, weighing only 20 kilo. After removing the packaging, it's really straightforward to put together. You just need to unfold the handlebars, attach the working brake light, pedals, and of course, check your tyres. The seat is fitted with these nice springs for a comfy ride, and you fit it like you would a normal bike. A quick electrical test just to make sure everything is working, including this really bright headlight. The C314 is powered by a 250 watt brushless motor, and it has 3 riding modes: full electric, pedal assisted, and full manual. Factoring in weight, hills and temperature, this bike has a range between 15 and 27 miles, and it can reach a top speed of 12 miles per hour. That's just using the motor. Easy to operate, you just press the on button, pull on the accelerator, and away you go. And also, this bike has cruise control. While you're accelerating, just press the button on the right handlebar, and that activates cruise control. It's that easy. And then to stop cruise control, to stop the electric motor altogether, just use the brake or turn it off. It's so easy to operate. I've had a go, my 2 boys have had a go, wife has had a go, and we've all enjoyed it. And one of the main features of the C314 is it is unbelievably compact, super compact. Its folded size is 1260 by 220 by 610. And as you can see, it fits in the boot of the wife's car. Expanded size is 1260 by 485 by 1040, making it one of the smaller compact e-bikes out there. It's got all the usual safety features like reflectors on the pedals, on the wheels, on the handlebars. As you saw earlier, it's got the headlight and the brake light. The brake light is a working brake light. It takes anywhere from 3 to 4 hours to charge this C314, and if you want to see how much battery you've got left, there's this nice little display that shows you the level of power that you've got remaining. And if you want to make your battery last longer, the easiest way to do that is pedal. I found it really easy to pedal on a lot of the flat roads, and you get that little bit more out of your battery. It only has 1 gear, so it's not really a bike that you're going to go long distances with, but it is a perfect bike for those commuters, probably for a lot of university students out there going from their dorms to their actual lectures. And if you're worried about security, right now there's a current offer going on the DYU website where you get a free lock and a free helmet when you purchase one of these. And if you do want to purchase one of these, there's a link in the description with a promo code to get you some money off. How good is that? So let's talk about some of the features. It has disc brakes. We've seen the headlight and the working brake light. Both of these are really bright, really good in the dark. We have a bag rack stroke shelf at the back. The weight capacity is 25 kilo. You can lob your bag on the back of the bike. Off you go to work, not having to walk that little bit. You could even park out of town and ride your bike into town, saving you on parking. You know what I mean? There's so many benefits to having this little compact e-bike in your life. There's so many. The weight capacity of the bike is 120 kilo. That's including the 25 kilo at the back on the bag rack. On the tyres, another feature, the tyres are actually puncture resistant. Not puncture proof, puncture resistant. My normal road bikes and my mountain bikes, they've had punctures going along this road. This survived it going there and back. No punctures. Absolutely amazing. The motor and the battery are covered with a 1-year warranty. If you're needing any spare parts for your bike, there are some spare parts for their e-bikes on their website. I decided to take it on an off-road test just to see what it's like on this dirt track. And to be honest, it was a bit bumpy. There's no suspension on the wheels. The actual suspension is those springs under the seat, so you can feel the bike shaking all over the place. But if you can handle that, then it's not really that much of an issue. You're going to get bumps in the road anyway, especially on the UK roads with all the potholes everywhere. But all the bumps on here were easily manageable with this bike. Even though it's got small wheels, it weren't that much of an issue, and it's still maintained its speed. as an A to B e-bike, as a nice little compact A to B e-bike, it's nice to have something to get you from A to B where you can just chill, you can just relax, take it easy and just let the bike do the work for you, as long as you're on a flat road or going downhill. It will go uphill, it can do gradients of 15 degrees.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up that road behind me. There's a bit of a dip, and then there's a little bit of a steep hill going the other side of the dip, with it being a dip. So I'm going to see how the bike handles going up there. It's supposed to handle a gradient of 15 degrees, but I'm just going to see how it handles that hill with this guy on it. Footage is not going to be great. Going to try just using the motor first, and then I'm probably going to have to pedal assist to get it up the hill. Let's give this a go. Oh, shaky start. Shaky start. Oh, all over the place. And this itself is a little bit of a gradient going up. About what, 5 degrees? Oh, it's struggling already. Give it more juice. Try and keep it as steady as I can, but it's not happening, is it? Right. So this is the big drop. Picking up speed now. Gotta keep it steady. Right, we've hit the incline. We're going up now. Whoa. It's not doing too bad, to be honest. And then the steeper bit. The last little bit, this bit's quite steep. It's slowing down. Struggling. I don't want a pedal assist. I want to see if it can do it without pedal assisting. He's done it. It's actually done it. This bike, it's amazing, it's awesome. DYU, thank you so much. I've had so much fun on this, over the past few days. Good times. If he's put a smile on my face, it's got to be good.
Once again, a massive thank you to DYU for sending me this bike. I really appreciate it. It wasn't expected. I can't thank you enough. I love it, my kids love it, my wife loves it. My wife actually wanted it, so it'd be nice to get another one. And there you go, mateys. That is the DYU C3 14. As I said, link in the description if you want to go and get one for yourself. And use the promo code to get yourself some money off. I've absolutely loved doing this video. It was nice doing it with the family. It's great when things like this, when I get projects like this where I can work with the wife and kids. It's a lot of fun. So for that, thank you again, DYU. And that is it, mateys. A massive thank you for watching. Go and check out the DYU website. And subscribe to my channel, and like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Much appreciated. Take care, look after yourselves, stay safe, play awesome. I know I will, on my new e-bike.